Hello friends and welcome to Abandoned Places channel.
Forgotten Nissans, the sad stories behind Japan's lost legends. Nissan is a brand known for its innovation, reliability, and motorsport glory. Yet, scattered around the world are rusting skylines, crumbling Z-cars, and forgotten patrols rotting in junkyards, fields, and city wastelands. How do these once great cars end up abandoned? Let's delve into the mysterious fate of these Nissans and find out why some of them deserve a second chance. Why do Nissans get abandoned? The throwaway mentality. Many Nissans, especially models from the 1992nd and 2002nd, were built to last. But when it came to serious repairs, owners often threw them away instead of fixing them. Cheap parts for older models can be rare, making repairs unprofitable, stolen and abandoned. Nissans like the Silvia, Skyline and 300ZX are popular with thieves. Many cars are stripped or abandoned when criminals can't sell them. Some sit in police impound lots for years before being trashed. Failed imports and legal issues. In places like Dubai, Russia and Africa, imported Nissans are often abandoned due to fake paperwork, making them illegal to register, customs, liens, unpaid taxes equals car graveyards, bungled engine swaps resulting in mechanical failure, natural disasters and war. After tsunamis, hurricanes or conflicts, insurance companies write off flooded or damaged Nissans. Many end up in dead lots where they slowly rust. 5. Sentimental value versus reality. Some owners cling to their old Nissan GT-R or 240SX, dreaming of a restoration, but time, money or skill run out. These cars become eternal lawn ornaments. Famous cases of abandoned Nissans. The Godzilla of the junkyard, R32 Skyline in Australia. A rare Nissan Skyline R32 GT-R was found rotting in a Sydney junkyard. Once a legend of the Japanese auto industry, it was abandoned to its fate due to engine failure and high repair costs. Nissans buried in sand in Dubai. Dubai's emergency parking lots are filled with abandoned patrols, Skylines and Titans left behind by expats fleeing dead. USA. Forgotten Z cars in barns. Rusty Datsun 240Z and 300ZX are common barn finds, and many just need a dedicated restorer. Every abandoned Nissan has a story to tell, a past full of speed, adventure and hard work. They don't have to die in a junkyard. Can you save one? Seen an abandoned Nissan? Share yours in the comments. Did you enjoy this deep dive into the world of abandoned Nissans? Then smash that like button, it helps spread the word and save more forgotten cars. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments. What's your all-time favorite Nissan model and why? Let's hear your Nissan love stories. And who knows, maybe your comment will inspire someone to rescue a rotting legend. Thanks for watching and keep the passion for cars alive.